From the spark of an idea to full-scale AI, legacy clouds tend to turn momentum into molasses. The challenge is that when your team is ready to shift a prototype into production, problems start to bubble up fast. GPU underutilization, runaway cost, and stalled training cycles. All while the pressure to improve efficiency and visibility never takes a coffee break. Rigid, general-purpose infrastructure adds drag, like racing F1 in a minivan, forcing your team to adapt to the platform instead of accelerating on it, locking you in, limiting flexibility across orchestration and data movement, surprising you with hidden costs, keeping you off balance, always tuning, never scaling. But when friction becomes flow, innovation now moves at the speed of your vision. CoreWeave Cloud is purpose-built from the ground up to accelerate AI innovation, designed to eliminate bottlenecks so you can harness massive scale, deploy faster, and spend smarter, delivering unmatched pace, maximum performance, and a transformative partnership built for pioneers by pioneers. Our team empowers yours to focus on what matters most, scaling your next breakthrough ahead of the marketplace. That's the power of CoreWeave Cloud. That's the power of the essential cloud for AI.